My name is Liliane Burkhard. I am from Switzerland. I work at the University of Bern in Switzerland as an instrument scientist, actually, for BELA. That's the laser altimetry instrument aboard Bepi Colombo on the way to Mercury. And I'm also an artist, because art and science go together. Because for me, science is how we explain the world, and art is how we make sense of it. And I'm here as the artist in residence, one of two, to make a cloud sculpture out of discarded posters that have been left behind after the poster sessions. So for me, the clouds just symbolize how our research sometimes dissipates and changes forms, just like clouds in the sky.